Achiwi Kamataya Bauping Senakatewi Mawan Satwi Gahai Todrejan Kushung Aina Now so mi lung lengwi kati angun aya rims wi mok aina kushok haira 27 Assam Rifle Line State Bank of India somsaina ngurumda Hawk Farm Awareness Program aka aya kwikami haira Rashtriya Poshan Ma Khamayon wi rani akasada ICDS Ukhrul na district level hamhan ngahan aka kwika haira Lekhayang Tor, Ajiwi DDE News, Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay, Aju Bao, Maisa, Aina Nang Rumsa. Senagatewi, Mawan Satwi Gahai, Torbejan Kushung, Aina, now so mi lung lengwi kati maramli, Ajawantong, Ukhrul with long now pingna. Chief Minister Birenli Kangasan Sampangda, Aniwi Angun, Ayang Shun, Rimswi, Mork, Aina Kushok Haira. Mawan Satwi Gahaya Kani Jui, Nanai Makeup Kajishim Kurli, Lubalak Pangaribla, Mihaira the Hanga. Kala Kati Angun, Kuikushok Aina, Pung Jifu Wivang, Angaran Angayeli, Zangi Kajiwivang, Shimkru Kani Jili, Lubalak Kani Chief Minister na Miya the Hanga. Kangasan Jili MLA Kashim, former Deputy Speaker MLA MK Presho Shimre, Somadai Shaiza, Jingdun Lompang Village Chairman, Jingdun Katamna Long with President Atumla Zanga the Hanga. Mawan Satwi Gahaya na Nota Gahai Ramai Kani Wivangla, State Shorgana, Otbom Kacha, Pasang Mira the Hanga. Katimaram Jili Yangsang Mikawai, IG Intelligence we Azingli, DIG Range 2 Aina Special AIG Housing Zanga Special Investigation Team Akasem Haira the Hanga. 27 Assam Rifle Aina State Bank of India Somsaina Ngurumda Hawk Farm Awareness Program Aka Aya 27 Assam Rifle Outpost Winobazar Ukhruli Kwikami Haira Rani Jili Ukhrul Pe Lunghar Humi Kala Sihai Kunowi Hawk Farm Sadakale Tumrada Pangaga the Razanga the Hanga 27 Assam Rifles na ngaran mida Hawk Farm kasa maramli Tejpur Assam li kasa training la wagazang sampang kahaina training chili wagazang langtang now Korean B Jong Shaitawe Farm 2018 kum hapogda achurashungda ana Hawk shagutum langda yorshok haira kala ari Hawk hangturuk langda kaida leida hanga Farm hi John Shaitana Akhalata Kasana, Kala Assam Rifle Commandant, Kala Somsai SBI Bank Manager Zangda, Inspection Wivang, Shaizawi Farmle Yauva Haira. Assamli Kasa Training Jili Wagazang, Sihai Kono Vista Farm with Proprietor Jonathan Horamna, Awi Vista Farm G 2020 Aina, Hopogda Achurashungda, Hok Hangpangada Kani, Yorshok Haira the Hanga. Kala Ana Hogukui Veremi Horam, Janmi Horam, Silem Horam, Kala Raitan Horam Atumping Nola, Hawk Farm Hopok Haira the Hanga. Colonel Ribbon Bora, Commandant 27 Assam Rifle, Captain Ashish Sharma, Down Commandant 27 Assam Rifle, Thangam Jali Manager SBI Somsai Branch na Ngaran Kamirani Jili, Kajichawi Hawk Farm Sakawai SBI Aina, MSCP Bangli, Subsidy Loan Kukui Katawi Maramli Hangjite Haira.
And Mr. Koiring Saiza, he has got, as on that he has got 8 saw and 2 bores, and he earned 4 lakhs last year, 4 lakhs. So this sector has got huge opportunity. Piggery sector has a lot of scope. Like the reason being the demand versus supply, the consumerism, the consumer versus producer. If I claim 90% of pigs, the pork meat comes from outside. Season, Christmas season, it is not adequate because the homegrown pigs here are not even adequate to meet the local consumption of the particular village. Ukhrul town, who has got a population of over 1 lakh, hardly it comes from the village because the village cannot spare. It comes from outside. You sit in Litan, you will see vehicles loaded with pigs come from outside, all from Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab. Okay, a vegetarian state sending pig to a, non-vegetarian state. So that's why I chosen this as one of my theme. That's why the day I landed here, after that, for the last 2.5 years, I have been trying to create awareness amongst the local farmers, amongst our Tangkhul mothers and the sisters, because they already have the background knowledge. They know. Only we need little financial push and some help from the government. And I'm sure, like today SBI, they have come, they have taken 9 steps. I'm sure MSCB, the way Chairman MSCB, Mr. Subhas has assured me, out of these 30 farmers, 10 of them have got account in MSCB. So he has assured me that he'll assist. I'm very hopeful, I'm very, very hopeful that this piggery sector will change the socio-economic dynamics in this area. Because if we, are self-sufficient in this hygienic meat, financial condition of the farmers will automatically improve, and it will give more encouragement to others. And there are a lot of scope here. The water in Ukhrul is one of the cleanest. The air, one of the cleanest. More so, it is cold climate. The pigs do not sweat. As such, pigs do not have sweat gland. So the pig meat in a cold climate is always healthy, hygienic, and tastier.
Rashtriya Poshan Ma Khamayon with Rani Akasada ICDS Ukhrul na district level hamhan ngahan akakwika hera. Now Kawai now ping wivang Kapa Kashagaza Kahang ngahan ji DBO ICDS Cell Ukhrul na Rungmida ICDS Multipurpose Hall Ukhrul aya kwika hera. Ngahan chili chingai ICDS project na matha makeup hang chithe da mai khaya sampang hera. Ngahan jiwi ka khane Ukhrul ICDS project kalaka guthumali LM ICDS project na kupsanga. Rani chuli chingai wi CDBO O Jandesh Hor aina LM wi CDBO AS ngalathot ani lawajanga. Ukhrul ICDS sil na aju gajang poshan ma Muyon Rashum da Rakhra Tarik Thumra Thang Kupkasang with district level Rani Kwikal Wikawai Ngurandalay da Hanga. Ukhrul Baptist Theological College with Graduate Day Aya Muyon Haira. Graduate Day Kamayon Chili ETN BA Executive Secretary Reverend Soringam Ningshen Nala Wangarum da Graduate Kupkahai Pingli Verena Mi Avavu Li Kuso Gahai Matada Pau Kapha Hangmi Kahai Juli Zat Kawai Salo da Kasat Sanghaira. UBTC wi Rani Haugupok Seha Reverend Ninglum Ungkai Director IMBM na Samia Kalasok mi Seha Reverend Somi Kusomoshi Pastor UTPC na Samia Rani Jiwi Kanawa Tui UTPC wi Katamnao Body Committee Chairman Ramting Ningshen na Samia Kalakukup Seha Aping Horam Evangelist na Samida Rani Ji Kupsanga. Graduate Day Hili Master of Divinity Mi Kutum Bachelor of Theology Mi Tharada Jishatna Thakwi Haira. Ukhrul Baptist Theological College with next session here Tatara Hawi Tarik Akathang Aina Hapok Rada UBTC with President Oja Ningwan Kamgaranawe Aina Pau Sampanga. Pungyerli Aya contact tracing test Salaga Mi Mukuda Matiwi Ngachaili Thuruk positive Sampanga. Pungyerli Hina Tangkhul positive Kushok Jungmai Tui Gaji record na da hanga. Kala positive kutonga ngrum da mi mukuda jishat kasung haira da hanga. Ariri Pungyer COVID Care Center li positive mijiko gajat ngahada le April khaying gachang aina hapok laga achura shung da we alungli Government Department Medical Club Police ling ngrum da village level COVID-19 committee na otsak rum da thang wi ko shok gazang rani kutonga yang sangmi da lay da hanga. Pungyer Subdivision Headquarter li COVID-19 kazat hi Kamkhui Khawai Subdivision Administration SDO District Administration DC Kala Kendra MLA na thanda mathalak aina yang sangmi rashum da lay da VLLC Secretary Ningshok Ningshang na Paumia. Atam Kasangka Committee na Mikumo wi Mirin Aman Kasaka hi Kankhui Khawai volunteer salaga local wing ran ngaye ayaya wasami da khlai hitaran Ramnao ping area wi kathan ping Khu kala church na la kutomi chinglo kuchi hi VLCC na ngakaudalay. Naga People's Organizations na pati na Hill Areas Committee na recommend kasa ADC Bill 2021 wi maramli ngasan khawai aya kajib da Bill G Assembly li mangajek mi rang lakha aina tangda kala Manipur Assembly Speaker na HAC li tambak MLA kapang sang hai kasa Kushok Kamiwi Kangayi Maram Mami Rang Laka Aina Tangda Shorkarwe Go to Hills 2.0 at Samna Boycott Kasa Juli Kutom da Boycott Sawa Shumra Kachi Twitak Tahira ADC Bill 2021 Ji Ngazek Mi Khawai Manipur Shokarna Manipur Legislative Assembly Li Special Session Kwikami Phulungra Kachi Hila Kazib Jili Twitak Tahira Jay nang soda tambakwe MLA pingli Hill Areas Committee member sakawai kapanggasang Assembly Speaker wi tukup tak tahai kasaji ajawantang khusok khami wi maram long naw bingchina mukhisang mi mana kaja speaker jina khami maram ji Article 371C aina Assembly wi ayenli mapan mana da phongshok haira itumda phaning ungpai kaja Assembly Speaker na tukup tahai kasa Kushok Khami wi maram ji constitutionally mi ka highly matungda ka sawi wangna machila la assembly session we ayenli mangayi la sa ka haina jiwi wang tukup ji khui kushok na machila stakeholders pingwing chaili phap kata khira khawai khui kushok na da speaker ji na hanga maram hiwi wang Naga People's Organizations na batina achumuthor Pung Turuk aina hapok da ngazing Pung Turuk aina tangda Snapadi district li ban ngahot haira. Chita da shorkali makhamaya phongshok da ban khangahot ji at samna maya khangai kakatom phongshok haira. Seva hi sangathan wirani akhasa da COVID-19 vaccination drive come relief aya mawai khulen kusom khono khungthak kala tarong kamjong district li rungmi haira. COVID-19 vaccination drive come relief Ranieji BJP Manipur Pradesh Kisan Morjawi Vice President Ningringam Kushungna Makhok Mida Kasana Ningringam Kushungna vaccination drive Raniejuli Kung Pingjiwi Rijum Now Pingli hand sanitizers Bias Mayangpai Kalap Machi da Yaumi Haira Raniejuli Ragazang Rijum Now Pingjili COVID vaccine Kakabwi Kapa Hangjuteda Kapking Roxer Kawai Kasat Sanghaira India ngalay apam ngatay dali viral kala dengue gazat shokda khalay tay kuida vector borne gazatli ngashirda chekchinglo kachi Union Health Ministry na state kala Union Territory pingli hanghaira vector borne disease kacha hachang kacha kathana phungjata mikumo kala sayur vayurlila man mi kapai gazatli kahangna dengue gazat hila vector borne disease akhana Health Secretary Rajesh Pusha na kahang atishuda jikatha gazaji ngak khawai sakabai chekchingda hapho khawai jizumi haira Kerala li coronavirus mang maningla Nipah virus case hang thurukda jishat kada samphang haira Uttar Pradesh wak dengue kagaza shokap talaida hanga Nagaland wi Governor Sagasa RN Ravi wiwang kapang rani Nagaland shokarna aya khwika haira Kohima Press Club na Ravili Momaya Khangai Phongshok da Rani Jili Magutom la boycott Sahira Ravi hi 2019 kum Nagaland with Rada Kachiko Governor Kukwina Ana Governor la sa Indo Naga Chan Ngazegwe Indo Loguda la kasa atamli media na po salala ngasan ngaye masami mana Paumi pingli yangkhai da Chan Ngazeg khawai apong mami mana da KPC President Ellis Yoshuna hanga Kohima Press Club na Nagaland Media House pingwi editor pinglila Ravili Makhamaya Phongshok da awiwang Nagaland Sarkar na sakami kapang rani jiwi maramlila pauma milo kichihi pohaira Ayang zinwi report atishuda Ukhrul district le COVID positive mi thera samphanglu haira COVID second wave khara hile Ukhrul district le ari rashungda COVID positive samphang ka hai hi Ayawi tharaji zangda Tangkhul Shapanga Hangpanga da Panga Kashung Haira Arishang Aina COVID Care Center Ling Hakasa Mi Tharada Thurugle Aya Discharge Sada Ariri Ukhrul District Le COVID Kagaza Mi Mushing Shaka Apagatum Leida DSO report na Chitaimiya Ukhrul district li aya aina tangda COVID vaccination kap ka hai mi machine thing mukada chishat shatruk hangchini da chiko ka hera. Jiwi nga chai li thing thra da chiko sha chiko hangmati da khani na first dose kap ka hai na kala thing chishat shashini thumra da shini na COVID aritos pai da kap hai ra da hanga. Jingom thra da chishat aina hangmati da matiwi alungli khalai mi machine thing thra da khani hangmati da kuthumna kaphaira jingum hangmati da phanga aina hang phanga da chiko we lungli khalai machine thingmati sha chiko hangshini da mati na kaphaira kala jingum hang thuruk aina atumbing thingguthum sha thuruk hang phanga da mati na COVID ariji kapkhui haira da report china hanga ladluida achwi khamata ya pawping nganang rom lishitsa sena ka thewi mawan sa thui ga hai thodrejan ko sung aina now so mi lung lengwi kathi angun aya rims wi mok aina khusok haira 27 Assam Rifle Line State Bank of India somsaina ngurumda hog farm awareness program akha aya khikami haira Rashtriya Poshan ma khamayon wi rani akhasada ICDS Ukhrul na district level hamhan ngahan akha khika haira Achi bao hena ngachong haira bao ngana da khlai nu thum sai ko relate ring pha kala kham haya Zimik sho ngsa serano